Hello friends, in this video you should guess the car by the sound and understand which car is corresponding to the sound. The video will be 3 parts, the first easiest, the second medium and the third hardest. Wish you a pleasant viewing. Write in a comment how many cars have you guessed. And which level was easy for you. Let's start with the first sound. Well, if you guessed right, write in the comments. And we'll move on to the next sound. Well, it was easy for you to guess these 2 cars. Don't forget that this is still an easy level. Next sound you have to choose one of the 2 cars. Good luck. Friends, congratulations to those who guessed all the cars by the sound. I hope you are ready for the higher level, that is, the average. And so this is the second part in terms of complexity, the average. Try to guess which sound belongs to what. Let's start. Well, guess what? Yes, it is difficult, but the most difficult is yet to come. Let's move on to the next sound. Now you have to guess which of the 2 pictures belongs to the next sound. And so the middle part is already behind, so how much did you guess right in the comments? And we will begin to move on to the hardest part of this roldic. I don't know if you can guess. Let's start part 3, the hardest. Well, by the sound that will now be, you need to determine this sound belongs to Tesla or Porsche Taycan. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video and you will write a comment and subscribe to the channel.